Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 4th Physical Education and Sports for CWSN Part 3 Types of Disorder. First one is ASD, second ODD, third OCD. ASD means Autism Spectrum Disorder, second ODD Oppositional Defiant Disorder, and third OCD means obsessive compulsive disorder. First one is ASD means autism spectrum disorder, includes social communications and behavior related challenges. It includes both genetic and environmental influences. And symptoms of ASD: first one is profound problems with social interaction. Second, they have different ways of learning. Third, practicing excessively repeated behavior. Fourth, touching the same object again and again. Fifth, difficulties with communication. Causes of ASD. Studies have listed several cases for the disorder and have the problem may be centered in the part of the brain responsible for processing language and information from scenes. There also appears to be a strong genetic basis for autism. First one is environmental factors, second genetic factors, third brain development, and fourth malnutrition pregnancy. Next, ODD means oppositional defiant disorder. The nature of ODD is that child does not see his or her behavior as a problem. Instead, he/she will probably believe that unresponsible demands are being forced on him her. But if child has affected with ODD, so various symptoms and also try to blame other individual for their mistakes, then consult doctor. And symptoms of ODD: first one is behavioral, blaming to other, fighting, refuse to follow rules. Second, psychological, feeling of annoyance, difficulty to making of friends. Third, cognitive, lack of concentration, remain stressed. Causes of ODD: first one is genetics. If family member have problem of mood disorder, anxiety disorder and personality disorder. Second, social factors, lack of discipline in family and poor financial condition. Third, physical factors, injuries related to brain and abnormal functioning of neurotransmitter. And fourth, psychological factors, they do not have good relation with parents and others. Next, OCD means obsessive compulsive disorder. This is mental disorder where people feel the need to check things separately, perform certain routine repeatedly. For examples, excessive leaning, counting of things, hand washing, aggressive things toward others, and symptoms of OCD. Obsessive thoughts, excessive focus on religion activities, fearing on contaminants by grams. Second, compulsive behavior, double checking of things and repeating of certain word, ordering or arranging things. Causes of OCD. First, biological factor, problem in the pathway of brain, low level of neurotransmitter. Second, environmental factors, environmental stress. And third, genetic factors. To pass from parents to their child, depression. Okay, thanks. Watch this video. Now again, thanks.